First of all, how are you spending Christmas?
Together.
Together, of course, we're family.
Yeah, together. On December 17, we have a Christmas party over
And
at their
then-
house.
yes.
house.
And then we...
And then
plan
December
to-
24, sa bahay naman namin.
Okay.
The whole family.
Okay.
Hindi whole, pero... pero medyo whole.
We're together. As long as
But I
we're
have to
together.
be truthful, di ba?
Oo.
So, medyo. You're invited, G.
Okay. Ano naman ang mga Christmas wishes niyo for each other? Sige, ayan.
Okay, what's your wish for me?
Siguro, I go first. Peace.
Ew, it's so
Or
generic.
No!
Okay.
Why peace?
Why peace?
Because you know why.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
More blessings. And more love.
We have a lot of love.
Diamond. Yeah.
What about diamonds?
More diamonds, more shoes, more bags, more clothes.
No, I think Julia's right. We need a lot of peace. Parang so far naman naging tahimik ang half of the year of our family, diba? Not for yours, but at least for the whole family.
In general.
In general.
Right.
Pero we're here for each other. I think yun ang importante.
Yeah. And by saying that, Gretch, how was 2014? How would you assess it?
Fairly good, no?
Yeah, I think because our family, no matter what happens, no matter what problem comes our way, at the end of the day, we can just laugh about it.
We have each other. So, we're strong together as a family. Parang kahit nagkakaroon ng problema,
Tatawanan ng after.
oo nga.
The
Parang
bright
may
side.
drama, tapos mamaya-maya nagtatawanan.
Yeah.
Right. Saka yung sure na you have each other's back.
We have each other. Pati yung mga magpipinsan, parang magkakapatid na sila.
Right.
Parang ganon. Kami ni Marjorie, parang si Marjorie, parang naging, anong tawag doon? Yung, what do you call it? The head of the family. Anong tawag doon? O, siya yun.
Matriarch.
Matriarch si Marjorie yun. Kasi ayoko maging yun. Parang
She thinks she's younger. She wants to be younger.
I
than
am
my
at
mom.
heart
At
and mind. Oh.
2015 is promising for you. Simula pa lang meron kayong project ni Inigo. Are you excited about it?
I'm excited, and maybe because finally, siguro parang nakahanap na rin ako ng love team ko, which is Inigo, and I'm happy that it's Inigo because he's a really nice guy. He's somebody easy to work with, and yun ang siya,
And
toong gentleman.
he's got good parents also. So that helps kasi nagagabayan yung bata, si Inigo, diba? So, bagay sila, maganda. Tapos guwapo naman si Inigo.
Gretch, anong payo mo sa kanya? Tips on handling love teams?
Wala akong tips sa kanya because I believe in making mistakes, falling apart, and standing up. Learning from your mistakes, I think, is the best teacher. That's how I learned. That's how Marjorie learned. And that's why we are where we are today. And we're just here to say, go girl, we're just here. Pag may umiyak, pag may problema, nandiyan kami sa likod nila. Alam nila. Ayokong makialam kasi I don't wanna be a tita. I don't wanna be a second mom. Ayokong maging parang principal sa buhay nila. I just wanna be a friend. Na pwede nilang takbuhan pag may problema. Not only Julia. Julia's very responsible, but everybody.
Right. And lastly, the biggest learning for 2014?
Oh my.
To just love and love. I think family is very important. Nalaman namin, especially in the past 2 years, that I really have Marjorie and her kids. I really value them more than ever because yung nagkagulo yung pamilya namin, talagang parang we got glued to each other.
The stronger the relationship got.
Our bond is stronger now. We need each other and love each other more. So, and we pray. We pray a lot. And pag may problema kami, we really learn to light candles together. Yung nag-showing yung Mirabella niya, we lit candles.
The support is there.
We pray. Parang I think yung faith namin naging mas strong yung faith namin sa Panginoon.
I think everything that she said, I think our family went through a lot this year.
And we learned to go through our problems in style. Right?
Yes, yes. If she says so.
Smile, and I said, no matter what the problem is, parang dress up, stand up, have fun, and enjoy every minute of life.
Right. Kasi
What she said.
ikaw din, Julia, parang medyo nasasanay ka na, no? Parang medyo nabubulletproof ka na with...
Na-train ako ng magaling at maayos ng family ko eh. Maybe I had good examples like Mama Gretch, my mom, and my gosh, if you have those examples, I think you're good.
More than just the examples, alam mo, hindi kami nagsasalita pag may problema. What I really appreciated most, yung nagkaroon kami ng masasakit na yung pinagdaanan, is pag nagkita kami, umiiyak kami. Hindi kami nahihiyang umiyak at yumakap. I mean, we really realized that the importance of an embrace, a tight embrace. Parang yung assurance na andito lang kami.
Ano yung ginawa mo, Tigretch, nung nakita mo si Julia nung siya yung binibira ng intriga?
Siyempre, gusto ko rin lumaban, hindi ba? Pero at the end of the day, I really learned to kneel down and pray. Talagang kneel down and pray. Kasi meron mga taong hindi na natin kayang labanan. Pero pag meron kang Diyos sa buhay mo, lalo na kami na lang nila Marjorie, you know, we're not that much anymore and we really need each other, lalo na for this generation, di ba? Sina Julia, lalo na nasa show business. Talagang pag may ganyan, we kneel down, we pray, we light candles. Pag nasa London ako, everyday nasa church ako. Para sa lahat ng mga bata, lahat sila may mga sindi kaming kandila. Every step of the way.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!